Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our channel Financial Wealth, and our today's video is regarding the short squeeze of GameStop stock. We're going to cover the every little detail about the GameStop stock. So the short squeeze will remain a big story in the financial news media until heavily shorted stock that have been pushed up by the individual investor connected through social media. Wall Street bets against GameStop went horribly wrong when user from a Reddit forum decided to bet on its success instead. Now billions of dollars are at stake, and we already know that many hedge funds already lost in billions. The biggest winner during the craze have been GameStop, up about 1800% for 2021 through January 29th, and AMC Entertainment, which has popped up more than 850%. There are many other stock like Nokia, Blackberry, KOSS has popped up to 20% to 45%. Now, how does this short selling work? So it is important to understand that how short sellings are works. So when people buy a stock, normally they are betting that it will rise or sell in a profit, that they will make more money than they put in. Now, short seller do the opposites. Short trade with the borrowed shares and sell them with the hopes that they can make money if the stock falls in the future. Now let's imagine that the corporation A is the public company and its shares are worth $20. A short would borrow shares of a corporation A and sell them in the market for $20. Their bet is that corporation A stock will actually drop below that value. Let's say maybe $8. If it does, then they can buy the shares at $8 and pocket up to $12 in a difference. If corporation A stock jump to a $30, then lender who made their bet possible may push the short to cover their bets. That would mean that the short effectively has to buy the shares at the new higher price. When a short is right, betting against a company, they can make a lot of money, but if they are wrong, then they can lose a lot more money too. In fact, they can lose money up to infinite of value. Now, how this whole thing happened, how this short squeeze happened in the GameStop and many similar stock. Effectively, the Reddit Wall Street bets crowd realized that Wall Street made a huge mistake. People known as a short seller who were betting GameStop stock would fall had been too aggressive. The Reddit Wall Street bet crowd understood that if they could create an artificial demand for the GameStop shares with their own money, they could force the Wall Street to recalibrate its bets, pushing the price even higher. And some investor who couldn't even back up their bets against the GameStop would have to pay even more. As of Saturday, January 38th, there were 7.1 million members of the Reddit Wall Street bet community. Though it's nearly impossible to determine how many people are involved in the GameStop, Nokia, AMC and a Blackberry scheme. Now, what we do know is that this is the activity appears to have the created short squeeze, where the short seller betting against GameStop are being forced to buy more GameStop stock to cover their losses. That push the price up even more and more, which forces more short seller to cover their losses, which pushes the price up even more. Now, some of the Reddit crowd believe that the GameStop stock could reach into the thousands of dollars just because of this mechanism. There are some billionaires including Chamath, Elon Musk and Mark Cuban, all are in supporting of this action. In fact, Chamath has already traded some of the GME calls and he made hundreds of thousands of dollars, and he announced that whatever the profit he made during this GME call trade, he will going to donate into the small business communities. So there are a lot more things are happening on the Reddit Wall Street bet crowd group. I think you should join the Reddit and see what exactly the activity is happening. I was just checking in my app, and looks like they all ready to go next week as well, and they announcing that the stock will gonna blow off next week as well, and not just GME stock as only, but the There are a lot more stocks similarly like AMC, Nokia, KOSS. They all can explode in the coming weeks. So this is very interesting story of the short squeeze. I think this is something not really happened many times before on Wall Street. So everybody's excited to see what exactly can happen next week. So stay tuned. We will come with the more news like this. And please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe our channel. Thank you. Bye.